Staff augmentation versus project outsourcing versus managed services. Staff augmentation. It is a flexible outsourcing service where an outsourcing company provides tech talent to your team temporarily or permanently. Pros of staff augmentation: high productivity level, short learning curve, cost effectiveness. Cons of staff augmentation: short-term solution, hard to find a perfect fit. Project outsourcing. IT project outsourcing is the process of contracting out the management and execution of an organization's IT projects to an external service provider. Pros of project outsourcing: transfer of responsibility, project-related expertise, wide range of skills. Cons of project outsourcing: less control, additional expenses. Managed services. IT managed services outsourcing is the practice of utilizing an external provider to perform ongoing management tasks and activities on your behalf. Pros of managed services: better cost control, improved risk management, high availability, efficiency and productivity. Cons of managed services: less on-site availability, scope. If you want to adopt a model for project scaling, choose staff augmentation, or if you look for diverse skills, then choose project outsourcing. However, you must choose the business model according to your business requirements only. So, get connected with premier-class software development companies like Value Coders. Like, share, and subscribe.